Series of criminal justice reforms, and it's a big one. State lawmakers passing the Clean Slate Act, allowing the sealing of most criminal convictions in New York. Advocates say it's high time people who serve their sentence get a fair chance for employment and housing. People like Lukey Forbes, convicted of being an accomplice to an assault when he was 15.
I was denied housing multiple times because of my felony.
This bill would simply help the 2.3 million New Yorkers with a conviction record to lift those heavy barriers to employment and housing and such. So it's near and dear to my heart.
But there are plenty of critics, among them Republican lawmakers.
People that rent apartments or houses have a right to know who they're putting in their house.
Here's how the Clean Slate Act works. Convicts would have to serve their time and stay out of trouble for their records to be sealed. In the cases of misdemeanors and driving while impaired convictions, criminal records will be sealed after 3 years. In the case of most felonies, criminal records would be sealed after 8 years. There are major exceptions in the Clean Slate Act. Sex crimes are never sealed. Murder is never sealed. First-degree kidnapping and arson, never sealed.
It really has a right intent, but there's much work to be done.
Criminal attorney and former Manhattan prosecutor Jerry Saland wants to see hate crimes and domestic violence added to the crimes that can never be sealed. He also wants potential convictions in other states factored in. That said, he believes in a clean slate.
People who have been convicted of a crime shouldn't in perpetuity have something far worse than a scarlet letter that prevents them from getting employment, providing for their families, finding housing.
The law still needs a signature from Governor Hochul, and that is expected to come soon. The law only applies to convictions in New York State. Any federal crimes would not be sealed.